Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you super amazing collection of crochet baby bags and clutches. Many bags designs are included in this video and WhatsApp number 034563000924 is given on screen. So this number is for order purpose. You can contact on this WhatsApp number, take a screenshot of the design which you want to order and send it over. You will be given your order within few days. So just book your customized order in any color scheme with any design and in any size. These designs are for baby girls. As you can see, these are mini bags designing ideas, and I have included all types of mini bags designing ideas and little clutches. And little clutches can be used for ladies as well in just a bigger size. So you can order for yourself as well, or you can order for your baby girls. All of these designs are really attractive and gorgeous. So this design is a little bit larger in size and can be used for teenage girls. So all of these designs are really unique and attractive, and anyone can order them in different sizes and can be used for baby girls, for teenage girls, and ladies can also use ladies can also use most of these designs which I have included in this video. So just watch it till the end to get all ideas, because all of the ideas are really unique and super cute and attractive. All you need to do to have them is contact on the WhatsApp number which is given on screen 034563000924 and send the screenshot over of the specific design which you want to have for yourself or for baby girls, and book your order. After booking your order, it will be delivered to you at home address within 10 to 15 days, or even less than this time if your order is small. And from all over Pakistan you can order. So stay connected and see all of the videos which I upload on my channel regarding crochet ideas videos and all other handmade products ideas videos as well. And other than this bag collection, you can order any type of crochet accessory from this WhatsApp number. You can order bed sheets, you can order table runners, rugs can be ordered, you can order wall hanging projects ideas like dream catchers, and you can order baby accessories like baby frocks, baby dresses, baby shoes, hats, and all other type of baby accessories can be ordered. So all you need to do is checking different slideshow videos available on my channel and get ideas. Thank you for watching. Bye.